Hello everyone, this is Chetan singing one of his favourite songs, and I'd like to dedicate this song to all my friends. I see you all the time, never see you smile. I try to picture what's going on in your mind. He leaves you every night by yourself. He took your love and put it on a shelf. He doesn't really care how you feel. You should be moving on, but what's the deal? I wanna see you out that door, 'cause girl, you know you're worth much more. So baby, tell me why you stick around, always lonely and you only wear a frown. He don't treat you good, and you know the only thing left is for you to go. You shouldn't live a lie with someone when deep inside you know he ain't the one. I don't know what to say no more. I wanna see you out that door.
Ya Azizi, Swahili, I really don't wanna see you cry. मुझको समझो, दिल पे मत लो. Don't wanna see another tear in your eye. Baby, break away, let him go. I don't know what he's done to you, but I know that it's time to move on. Girl, your love is blind.
Girl, I understand that you're scared and you feel that you might never love again. But baby, that ain't true.
No, no, no.
I know that there is someone there for you, someone that will see that you are worth an undiscovered treasure on this earth. Girl, you know you're worth much more. I wanna see you out that door.
Ya Azizi,